Sloppy Joe bake. I have my pre-cooked hamburger right here. I am using the recipe in my Dining on a Dime Cookbook, Volume 1. And the link is also on our website at livingonadime.com. I have never bought a can of manwich in my life, ever. I just make my own. Look how simple this is to do. So that is my Worcestershire sauce, ketchup, my seasoned salt, and brown sugar. And we're gonna get all this mixed in first. Now, if you want, you could add onions or green peppers to this. I'm not for this recipe, but I should have got a bigger pan, I guess. All right, there we go. So now I'm gonna taste it, make sure. Oh my goodness, that is so delicious. This recipe is in my Dining on a Dime Cookbook, Volume 1. On page 145. Right there. Okay, I can't say I'm following the recipe. I never follow a recipe, but I am, the recipe that I'm adapting this from says that you need to dip your biscuits in cornmeal and milk and cornmeal, and then put it in your skillet. I would just put the biscuits in there, but I don't know why they have you do that. I guess to make it crispier. So what I'm gonna do is, this calls for 4 jumbo biscuits, but all my store had was the 8. So I'm just gonna do the 8 and then cook the extra 4 just for biscuits, okay? So then tear them apart, just like so. Oops, that one's kind of deformed. Oops. Just smush it back together. So they kind of have a point where they separate for the biscuits. It's the layering. Okay, so got that. So now dip it in the milk. I'm gonna dip it in the cornmeal. Then I'm going to put it in my pan. Milk, cornmeal, and then my skillet. Milk, cornmeal, skillet. Now I'm getting these all in first, and then I'm going to adjust them so that they fill up the bottom and everything. I think my skillet is slightly bigger than, oh no, it's not. Okay. Let's see, how do I want to do this? Yeah, this will probably work. Okay, there. Then I'm just going to bring these together. Now this is a sloppy recipe, so it doesn't have to be perfection at all. That one down a little bit. We have cheese. A little bit of cheese. I just use the Fiesta blend for everything because that's just my go-to cheese. And then our Sloppy Joe. More cheese. So this is about, oh, I'd say it's probably 4 ounces of cheese that I used. Just a bit more on the top. There. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven and let it bake. Okay, there is my skillet bake. Oh my goodness, that looks so delicious.